Well, the football team's heading to Italy to play the Bergamo Lions. Bergamo's up in the northern part of Italy. It's a great opportunity for the Macalester football team. I'm delighted they're doing this, and I commend the students for making that commitment and making it happen.
Well, for me, this was really about allowing the young men in our program an opportunity to live out the mission of the college. Internationalism is one of the core pillars that Macalester was founded on. And for me, I felt a responsibility to give them an opportunity to live out the mission of the college. So we didn't want to just come into this blind. We didn't just want this to be all about football. We wanted this to be a learning opportunity for them. So Andy Overman, who's a professor at Macalester in the classics department, he travels internationally with students often for his work with Macalester, and he's going to be on the trip with us. And so he's led a couple of sessions to teach us about Italian history, Italian culture, language, customs, and the players have really appreciated that.